Hello everyone, long time no see. Do you remember me? I'm your old friend, Dr. T. Today, I'm going to take you to CET headquarters, so keep up with me. CET headquarters is located in Tongzhou District, Beijing. It is a diversified enterprise group registered and operating in China. We have been focusing on the office imaging consumables industry for close to 30 years. Our sales network covers 193 countries and regions around the world. Now let's walk into CET together. On our left is the chip workshop and toner R&D center, and on the right is the office building. As we enter the office building, the CET highlights come into view. These photos carry the history of CET over the years. Now let's move to the exhibition hall, where certificates of honor are hanging on the walls. The latest products of toner, drum, and fixing products are also on display. You can find many of CET's competitive products, including its popular patented paper pickup rollers. Let's head to the second floor next. My colleagues in the sales department are concentrating on their work. Let's just leave them alone. We have now arrived on the third floor. This is the CET Testing Center and a third-party inspection and testing laboratory authorized by the National Accreditation Committee. The CET Testing Center has more than 1,000 copiers and printers. It provides critical data support for the research and development of new products. There is a high and low temperature test workshop where product performance is closely monitored during testing. Testing, weighing, recording, our colleagues at the testing center always strive for excellence. They carefully verify and take responsibility for all product data. Now, let's head to the south building where the chip workshop and toner R&D center are located. The chip workshop is on the third floor. State-of-the-art equipment from Siemens and others have greatly improved our working efficiency. Now, I'll show you the toner R&D center. Here, we carry out small batch trial production of toner. The resulting toner is then subjected to a series of performance tests. Once approved, we will proceed to production with toner that meets all performance standards. This concludes today's trip to CET. I hope you enjoyed today's visit. Next time, Dr. T will show you around CET's Tangshan factory. You can learn about CET's production operations there, so please join me. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can find me at the following address. Dr. T is looking forward to hearing from you.